Want to know how to check if your number is a Kaprekar number? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, if you have never heard of Kaprekar number, it's a special number where if you square it and split the digits into two parts, the sum equals to the original number. For example, in this code we have right here, we have a number that is 45. Now, we square up the number first. So we make the square root number that is 45 times 45. So once that is done, so which adds up to 45. This Java code checks exactly that by squaring the number, slicing the digits into left and right and comparing their sum. And that's it. If they match, it's a Kaprekar number. Super simple and easy. So you can just simply see this code right here and you can just simply copy up and modify this code. And here you can see the results as well. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.